Hi viewers, it's a pleasure being with you. I hope you are trying all the recipes that I am giving on YouTube. So if you watch, are you preparing? Are you tasting it? So I would like you to make, taste and see how it comes. So I'm going to do vegetable kuruma. So we will see how the vegetable kuruma is going to be, and it's my version of it. So we will first going to do the grinding. I have to grind a few ingredients. So we will grind all those ingredients first. Cashew nuts, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and I am taking garlic, ginger, cumin seed also I am putting. That's about a teaspoon or about 1.5 teaspoon I can put. Poppy seeds we are using, and the coconut flakes, about 1.5 tablespoon. Coconut flakes should be a little more. So all that I have put it, and we will grind it to a paste, but I will put a little water first and then I will put more water so that it's easy to grind it also. We have nicely ground to a paste now. It's ground to a paste. So that is enough. We don't have to make it too watery, or this is enough like. Now I am going to boil the vegetables. I have taken carrots, cut to a slant, and capsicum, beans, cauliflower. All this I am putting it into a bowl, and even the green peas. We have to boil this now. While we are boiling, add a little salt for that, a bit of turmeric. Allow the vegetables to get nicely boiled as well. There should not be any liquid inside. Only salt and turmeric we put. Now all this you can see it has to simmer, no water. Now we are going to add the ghee, a little ghee. If you like you can put ghee, or a little butter. It's very important. And then I will add a little bit of oil also. I am stir frying. I have to do a few things. A little gram, that is, we call it pottu kadale, gram, and a little black dal we use. These two I have added first. Now what I am going to do is I will use a little pandan leaf, curry leaves, and onions and potatoes, boiled potatoes. Let this get nicely fried in that ghee. When it is getting fried, add a little more salt. I will use pepper. Now lastly, I am going to put a few green chilies as well, and tomatoes. First, I need this to be nicely stir fried. Now what I am going to do is I am going to put the ground ingredients. Nicely mix it and allow this to get cooked. Last of all, we have a little bit of curd also to be added. Lastly, just before I take off heat, I will add the coriander leaves. And I am going to put off the cooker, and then you put the lime over this. Now my kurma is ready, so we will dish it out. This is the kurma that I have made it for you, and with that I am going to serve for a person the rice. And we have specially made curd with With the curd I have put mustard, onions and a few curry leaves put inside, tempered, but I haven't still mixed it. While we are serving, we are going to mix and serve it. So, when we serve, what we have to do is, I have got the plain rice which is going to be served with kuruma. We have got the curd here. This goes over the rice. And have a green chili if you like. Put papadang over this. My lunch is ready. What about you? And you can see this, my plain rice with the vegetable kuruma and the curd which I have nicely stir fried and taken with the papadang, and my lunch. I would love to have this as my lunch, and I hope you too will try it out and say it's amazing and it's so tasty. If you really think of having this kuruma, it's really tasty.